The chip-making giant Nvidia is leaning more heavily into robotics in 2025. More specifically, in the first half of the new year, confirms the Financial Times. Nvidia is launching a new generation of compact computers of humanoid robots called Jetson Thor. The move, which was expected, is part of an evolving years-long strategy. Nvidia doesn't plan to compete directly with manufacturers like Tesla, but rather provide the hundreds of thousands of robot makers in the world with a kind of underlying OEM, as its vice president of robotics, Deepu Talla, told reporters last month in Tokyo. As for why now, Talla tells the FT that the shift owes to two technological breakthroughs: the explosion of generative AI models and the ability to train robots on them using simulated environments. What Nvidia isn't saying, but is also plainly the case, its push into AI-powered robots comes as major customers like Amazon and Google work to lessen their dependence on the outfit's AI chips by developing their own.